Welcome to the community of
engineers, the change agents in the society.
Dear students, we are going to start a new subject, renewable energy resources. But before that, what is energy? The dictionary defines energy as the potential forces or capacity for actions, whereas physics defines energy as the capacity to do work and overcome resistance. So, energy is the stuff we need to accomplish physical actions. In fact, all living and non living things both possess and use energy. Albert Einstein in 1925 expressed energy as E is equal to mc square, means everything in the universe is made up of energy. In energy, vibration is the fundamental characteristics of the entire universe. So, energy is vibration, means vibration is the oscillation motion around a fixed position. So, with this expression, everything is energy. Energy is neither created nor destroyed. It is the cause and effect of itself. It is evenly present at all places at all times. Energy is in constant motion and never rests. Energy is forever moving from one form to another. Change is energy's only attribute. So everything is energy. Now considering properties of energy, all energies have vibrations, all vibrations have frequencies, so everything is moving or everything is energy. So we are living in the ocean of motion, billions of galaxies, billions of stars, billions of planets, our planet Earth, human body and its various organs, body cells, molecules, atoms, and energy. We saw everything is under motion, so everything is energy. And energy is vibration. Whatever we observe with our physical senses is the interpretation of vibration. And physical senses, we can hear, see, smell, taste, and touch. We hear because our ears translate vibrations. We see because our eyes translate vibrations. We smell because our nose translates vibrations. We taste because our tongue translates vibrations. We touch because our fingers translate vibrations. Talking about the sources of energy, there are a number of sources of energy which we will discuss later, but the main and ultimate source of energy is sun. As in Quran it is mentioned, Wajalna Sarajum Wahaja, and we have made the sun source of light and heat. Now we will discuss some salient forms of energy. Chemical energy, energy associated in bonding of atoms to form chemical molecules, transformed into electrical or heat energy as a result of chemical reactions. This is the energy also stored in the fossil fuels. Thermal energy. It is the energy associated with atomic and molecular vibrations. So the thermal energy relates to the total sum of kinetic energy of its atoms and molecules. Another term is heat. Heat relates to the amount of thermal energy transformed from one substance to another. Nuclear energy. Energy associated with bonding of subatomic particles within the nucleus of atoms. So the energy stored in the nucleus of an atom is nuclear energy. Gravitational energy. Energy stored in a body by virtue of its height above some other point. This is often called gravitational potential energy. Further, the force of gravity is not the same as gravitational energy. Mechanical energy. The energy that is possessed by an object due to its motion, that is kinetic energy, due to its position, that is potential energy. Electrical energy. Energy associated with the flow or accumulation of electrons, as flow of electric current in a light globe produces light. Electrical energy can also be stored in a capacitor. Electromagnetic energy. Energy associated with electromagnetic radiations. Televisions and radio broadcasters use this type of energy to transmit a signal to our televisions or radios. Energy in the light is also electromagnetic energy. It includes radiant solar energy, which consists of waves of electric and magnetic energy radiating through space and traveling at the speed of light. Solar energy. Solar energy is further classified as solar photovoltaic energy and solar thermal energy. Solar photovoltaic energy. Photovoltaic means the conversion of light into electricity. So the energy which is extracted from the sun and directly converted into electricity is known as solar photovoltaic energy. Solar thermal energy, which is conversion of solar radiations into thermal energy. Solar collectors are used to collect or capture heat from the sun and transfer it for water and space heating in buildings and for power generation. Wind energy. Wind energy is a form of solar energy which is caused by the sun's heating of the earth's surface. The use of wind energy is growing rapidly because it is abundant, cheap, clean, widely available and environmental friendly. The wind turbine's effectiveness depends on the location where they are placed. Ideally, wind turbines should be located where there are constant flow of wind throughout the year. Hydroenergy. Energy that comes from the force of moving water in which the potential energy is being converted into the kinetic energy. Hydropower is currently the largest source of renewable power, generating nearly 20% of electricity used in the world. Bioenergy. Energy extraction out of biomass, whereas biomass is an organic material made from plants and animals. Biomass contains stored energy from the sun. It is a form of renewable energy as we can grow more trees and crops. Geothermal energy, energy in the form of thermal energy generated by radioactive process in the core of the earth. Now with this we end our discussion here.